Hi fam, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you the pattern of a Tunisian crochet back strap or back handle or curtain strap. So let's start it. Start the slip knot, and for this stitch you will need 6 chains. Insert your hook into the second chain and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the next chain and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the next chain and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Chain 1. Insert your hook under these 2 loops and pull up loop. Insert your hook under these 2 loops and pull up loop. Insert your hook under these 2 next loops and pull up loop, and repeat. You will have 6 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Chain 1 and repeat again. Insert your hook under these 2 loops and pull up loop once, twice, 3 times, 4, and the last time. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. It's so easy to make. It is so beautiful, and you can afford it with yourself. Continue until you reach the desired length. Thank you for watching my video and for your time. I appreciate your feedback. I will be back very soon with more educational videos. It's time to say goodbye. Take care.